I don't know if I'm blurry or not because I can't see. But what's up, y'all? It's your girl YoYo back in with another video.
Hot damn, hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower. Tangerine, yeah, I call it sweet and sour. And my lawyer say it's urgent, I'ma call him in an hour.
Today I'm going to show you guys how I make the clear hemp lip glosses using the hemp oil, which is like extra moisturizing or whatever. But yeah, so y'all not really gonna see my face like that in this video, but it's okay. Alexa, play music.
Here is Apple Music.
Bitch, just play. So everything is set up. I washed my hands and dried them. Now I'm gonna put my gloves on. And a bitch was struggling. I don't know why it's so hard for me to put gloves on. They was tight as hell. I don't know how guys are putting on condoms. Anyways, so I take the bowl and I'm gonna go and measure it now. I'm weighing the bowl because I'm trying to only do half of this bag. A full bag gets you about like 20 glosses. And I'm not trying to make that much because I'm really just trying to like test out products and stuff like that. So half of this bag will be 2.25. This bowl is 0.15 ounces. So 225 plus 15, 25 plus 15, 40. Thank you. I was almost there, but you know. So now from here, basically the oils I'm gonna use for this are coconut oil and then hemp oil. This is my first time trying it, so I don't know yet what consistency it is or whatever. Take the syringe out of this. So now I'm gonna take out 3 pipettes for the 3 different oils. Period. Okay. How much oil am I trying to do today? Let me start with the hemp and see what it looks like. She looks like weed. She's like right in the middle. Like, she thick but not too thick. You feel me? Slim thick. Ooh. So y'all understand what's going on basically. The mixture wasn't too thick. It was really that the glitters were like getting stuck The consistency was a bit thick, but at the same time, it was mostly just the fact that the glitters kept getting stuck. So basically, I couldn't find a way to make it work because I really wanted there to be a couple glitters in every single gloss. That's kind of like the key to this gloss, like the fun part about it or whatever. So basically, I squeezed back the glosses into my mixture and I added in the rest of the Versagel, which ended up making about 15 tubes, which is not as much as it should. It should make about 20, but because I wanted this gloss to be very thick, I feel like it didn't bother me as much because I really just wanted it to be a very thick gloss. For those girls that like the thick glosses and stuff like that, but it's still very, very moisturizing, as you guys will see in a little bit as well. So yeah, I basically did this, and next time for you guys if you guys are putting in the glitters like I did, just make sure you cut more of the pipette so you have a wider hole for the stuff to like come out from. That sounds weird, pause. But yeah, I tested the lip gloss to see the consistency and I messed with it. It's great. So basically it got harder to put in the glitter and stuff, and then I was like looking over at the consistency, it was a little thick. So I added the rest of the Versagel in, and I added some more oil. I can't tell you guys how much oil to put. I feel like really it's like up to you. Like everyone has a different preference, but this is the consistency that I'm happy with. So this is a whole bag of Versagel. All the links are in the description as well, so you guys can make it yourselves as well at home. And we're about to fill up the tubes now. So I cut the pipette, I put it on. And everybody also has different ways of putting the gloss into the tube, into the syringe.